Hello cat people, how are you today? I am Catlady Antigoni and today we are doing a body paint. Well, as you have probably already seen, I have uploaded 2 videos with normal happy Valentine's makeups. But to me sometimes Valentine can be something darker, something deeper. So for this reason I decided to do something different today. I decided to go dark, to go deep and show that other side of Valentine. So if this sounds like a good idea, let's start! My ponytail is here, my glasses are on and I'm ready to start. So the theme for today is to create a lock here at my chest area and then on my face a big heart, and I might add some blood in order to make it kinda sticking out in a very nice and horror way that everybody's loving, right? And I'm gonna fill the lock and the heart with a spatial theme, not special, spatial, with space and stars and cool stuff like that. So I'm taking my pencil here from NYX Professional Makeup, Slide On Glide On in a purple shade, which I don't really like, and I'm start drawing. Today I prefer to use oil-based colors like this one right here. This is the palette Athena from You Can Be, and I'm gonna take the black, which doesn't have a name, and I'm gonna fill my lock here. Now I'm gonna apply a layer of glitter glue. This one right here, this is from Paint Glow Glitter Me Up, and I have already brought 3 different glitters. This one right here is from Glitter Palace. Glitter Palace is not longer a thing these days, unfortunately. They used to have great glitter. This one right here is from NYX Professional Makeup Glitter Paillettes, I'm not sure, it's 03. And again from NYX Glitter Brilliance in the shade Glee 11. And this one again, this is from Glitter Palace. These are basically tiny moons, and what I'm gonna do is to apply the glue and then make it look like galactic or something like that by adding the glitter. Next step is to take my modeling wax from Mehron and try to create a wound on my skin in order to show that my skin kinda cracked and inside appeared that lock. So I will try to work with it. I'm gonna take a tweezer in order to be able to press it. It's a quite hard ingredient or material to work with, but I will try to do my best because I love the effect that it can offer. Now we'll take some loose powder, this is from Makeup Academy, and I will try to cover the wax. Obviously I haven't finished because I'm planning to add some fake blood and to make it more cool and nice, but for now I'm leaving it as it is because I want the blood to be as fresh as possible. Actually, that sounds very wrong. I mean, the body paint, which will represent the blood anyway, you understood, I hope. I'm leaving now, I'm going to apply lenses and I'm coming back to do my face. As you can see, my lenses are here and now I'm gonna prime my face with NYX Marshmallow Primer, and then with the same technique that I used at the lock, I'm gonna draw a heart, I'm gonna fill it with black oil body paint, and then I will add the glue and the glitters. Let's do it! Oh, I forgot to tell you that I will block my eyebrows. I'm gonna use the same technique that I used at the Phantom of the Opera and when I was doing the Mask of Incredibles. So I'm not gonna explain anything again because you already know by now. But the only thing that I would like to change is that this time I will not actually block or change the color because I don't care, the heart will be black anyway, so I don't care to make them look like my skin, so I'm gonna only glue them on my face and that's it. No concealer, no corrector, nothing. Now I will start filling my heart with black. To be honest, this idea came from a Q&A that I had on Instagram, and I asked you, my followers, to decide about my next makeup or to give me ideas, if I want to say it more correctly, and someone told me to try to do a night sky. So to me this is something more than a night sky, but it's in this direction and I got inspired by that comment. So that's why I decided to include space theme with the Valentine, because I want to give that night sky feeling. For the lips, I have plan A and plan B because I feel that plan A might not work. First of all, I'm gonna use this pencil right here from Glam Shop. The name is in Polish, so it's just a purple pencil and that's it. And on the top, I'm gonna try to apply from Magical Makeup this Dragon Blood, which I know that it's already dry. I'm super disappointed from them. I would not recommend to buy from them for many reasons I have explained in the video with the robot, I guess. So I'm gonna leave the video here in order to see, my review and my opinion about them. And if this does not work, I'm gonna use from a Swedish brand, Ferry. This one right here, this is a pigment, a green pigment, which is called Jungle. And I feel that this in the end will save the day. Let's see! I added some extra black eyeshadow on my eyes because they have already started creasing. The good things about having an oily skin, #not. And now I have some glue here on my hand and I'm gonna apply it to my face in order to create the same effect that I have at my lock. And now it's time for the Greek word of the day. So for today I decided to do a dark themed makeup. So for this reason I'm gonna tell you the word for dark. So in Greek we say skotinos. 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 Oh my god, I realized that I might scare you when I'm talking like that. Anyway, let's go back to skotinos. As always, I'm gonna ask you to try to write down at the comments, a comment include the word skotinos, or actually say the word skotinos in your own native language. I think that I have finished filling my space hard with glitters, so basically I'm gonna do this procedure that I have done here with the wax on my face in order to make a frame for the heart, in order to have the blood later on. Oh my god, it's time to move on to the most exciting part of the video, the fake blood. Are you ready for what's coming? So I will create my own fake blood because I actually have this one right here. This is from Revolution, but I don't really like it. Like, it's too red, not very convincing, and I don't like it, but I'm gonna use it as an ingredient. Here I wanna make a disclaimer: if you actually have that or if you're planning to buy it, just have in your mind that it stains and you cannot remove the stains, so make sure that you will not have anything important to do next day, like I have to do lessons with kids and I will go with blood stains and I'm not very proud about it, but I will try to do my best. But anyway, don't be like me here, be more thoughtful. Anyway, this is staining bad. I have that one here. Sorry, I wouldn't be able to find my proper disc for mixing since I moved. I really promise that I will have it by next time. I'm gonna put an amount of the fake Revolution blood here because I like the effect, but it's not fully there. You see how it is? So I'm gonna add a lot actually, like that, or even more. Yeah. You see, it's very transparent for a reason, and I don't like it. Then I'm gonna take from Julian Spiegel some aqua color, and I'm gonna have some aqua color inside the blood in order to make sure that I will make it more opaque and more blackish. Nice! So basically I have two types of bloods here. This is the thick black blood and this is just red blood from here. So I'm gonna mix the black with the red, not inside my plastic, but actually on my skin to create that fade out ombre effect. And actually for some extra texture, I'm gonna use a great sponge, which I cannot really find right now. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm gonna use this sponge right here. It's my favorite sponge for applying fake blood, and you will see it in action. It's true that adding blood makes me so happy for some reason. I find it so creative. But I feel that if you want to see more proper pictures of this look, you can always visit my Instagram page, which is gonna be Catlady Antigoni, down here, as always. And there you can find the whole photo shoot if you feel that you wanna zoom in or spend some more time watching the details, some things that you cannot really see here. So yeah, don't forget to visit me there. Also, I'm very curious to hear your opinion down at the comments. First of all, if you like more horror makeup, because I really love them and I want to include more in this channel, but I want to hear your opinion because your opinion matters a lot to me. And secondly, if you're a little bit creeped by me talking to you in black like that with the bloods and everything, I don't know, I see myself here on my phone and I'm like, oh my god, this is not looking, you know, very appropriate. But yeah, it's fun. Also, don't forget to give this video a big like if you actually like it. And that was it, people. I hope that you liked this video as much as I liked and I enjoyed it. I hope that you learned something. Until next time, bye bye!